Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use ifs function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a student data. So I'm going to calculate grade as per the score of the student by using the ifs function with the multiple condition. Okay, so simply select the cell, use is equal to and enter the ifs, and here ifs function select, and now I select the score. Okay, if score is greater than 90, then I want grade A. Okay, so greater than 90 student, grade will be A. And if score, again select the score, if score is greater than 70, then grade will be B. In double quote, mention the grade. Okay, after that, again select a score, and again if score is greater than 40, then grade will be C. Okay, in double quote C, comma, again I select the score, and if score is less than 40, then grade will D. Okay, so in double quote D, bracket closed, and enter here. So drag this formula below this cell, and here you see the grade is showing as per the score. Okay, so less than 40 is a D grade, as I mentioned here, less than 40. Okay, so this is the way you can use the ifs function with the multiple condition. Simple for many condition, Excel 2016 and later only. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.